Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the security section, then go to the fingerprint sensor, manage fingerprints, then you have to tap next, then you have to select your backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, PIN or password. I'll just set PIN. Here you have to enter your PIN, then you have to confirm it. Next you have to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can show all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can just disable notifications on the lock screen, show no notifications. And now you have to find the fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and tap it with your finger several times, like this, for it to remember your fingerprint. And fingerprint aided. And now, for example, I can unlock my device without entering PIN code, with only just my fingerprint, as you can see. And that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.